Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. We are now on how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account part 12. This, I believe, will be the last in this series because next we'll be going on to how to set up the ATM, the TenKei ATM or the TenKei Automated Trading Machine. Okay, such a mouthful, isn't it? Anyway, okay, let's go. So remember, in part 11, you would have seen me scrunch this up, okay? In order to get this back again, you can either pull it all the way back or you can just double click. Yep. Scrunch it up so you can see what's going on there, or just double click. All right. Now that really finishes this session. I'm just having a look around to see if there's anything else I can see and find and, not kill time, but make sure this is live or this is connected. Connection status, it is connected. If it's not connected, it says no connection. Let's look over. Anything you want to see, tell me, talk to me. Is there anything you wish to see? Looking around for anything else that you may need. Okay, can't see anything. Let's have a look in here. I think we have everything. Data, aha. Well, no, we shall be going over here next. Okay, we should be going to navigator window. So I'm going to close that again because it's not part of how to set your MetaTrader 4 account up. As I said, this is how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account part 12, but next will be how to set up your TenKei ATM. Yep, the EAs, expert advisors. Okay, so that's it really. I know this one's a bit short, but I really want to cover all bases and make sure you get full information. So for those of you who do not like to read or cannot read, and that's true, I know, no kidding, and that's okay, you can check these videos out and learn how to do this. Watch it over and over again. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you.